All right, y'all, we are opening 4 packs of Destined Rivals. And let's see if we get any hits. All right, 1. That's usually the fastest way. You can also use scissors to open these. I thought the scissors would just be too much. Now, Cynthia's Garchomp comes from this set. So I would love to be able to pull that. I think I'm pulling from the wrong bottom. Okay. Can we get a hit? We have not gotten the hits out of this box yet. Nothing. Nothing. Third pack. 1, 2. Last pack magic. Here we go. All right. All right. We got a hit. We got a hit. That's awesome. It's not Cynthia's Garchomp, but it is a hit.